Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So I have an update here on my roach chow recipe. As you can see, my roaches have been eating this stuff like crazy. They really like it, and I have had some amazing results with it. So if you guys are interested, send me a DM on Instagram, Scales Exotics, so I can send you over my price list. And if you guys want to sample, like if you guys order some roaches from me, I can include a small sample in there so you guys can test it out for your colonies as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.